My invention and study by Bowdish. Here I am putting my HVAC battery powered portable invention together. Target temperature is 72 degrees Fahrenheit, between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooling circuit works very fast. Okay, warming circuit working properly. Turn it back down. All totally automatic. Putting my HVAC portable battery operated invention together. Target temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit, between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Room temperature items that would get damaged if they don't stay at room temperature. Study by Bowdish.